Here I have a 2007 Nissan Murano SL all-wheel drive at Brandon Reeves Auto World in Monroe, North Carolina. This is going to be a full in-depth tour of the Murano. Start it up, show the engine, interior features, pretty much everything you'd like to see on it. So, why don't we get on started and go ahead and start it up. Fully loaded, Bose stereo, leather. I apologize for that glare. All you gotta do is have the key fob on your person. Brake. Twist this just like you would any normal key. This has 30,000 miles on it. And another feature too, seat automatically moves back and forth when you put the key on. Starts right up. Sport grips on the steering wheel. It's your all-wheel drive. Heated seats for the front passengers, power mirrors. Got your volume controls on the steering wheel as well as your cruise control. Go ahead and turn the headlights on and the hazard lights, which are here. It's the camera, by the way, making it flash like that. Automatic front and passenger side window. LED taillights. Nissan's 3.5 liter V6. Got dual exhaust tips. Chrome. We do have a rear backup camera. Demonstrate the backup camera. All you gotta do is put the vehicle in reverse. Simple as that.
Grilled and served on a bed of...
Packs a punch. Daytime and nighttime mode. Trip. Fuel economy. Settings. Pretty simple system to use. Dual zone climate control. There we go. It's in Celsius right now. And I guess we'll go ahead and shut it off. We have memory seats. Full power, pedal adjuster. Roof. You can adjust it to how far you want it to go out. Go a little bit more. Or close it. Very nice looking SUVs. The seats are nice and soft. Leather's good quality.
I ain't seen the sunshine 3 damn days.
A good size amount of cargo area also. To lock the vehicle, just hit it. When it beeps twice, it's locked. Hit it again. Beep once, it's open.